In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable and use the Chatgpt memory feature to help the AI learn more about your specific business needs. Let's get started. To begin, I'll move my cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen, click on my profile name, and then select the Settings option from the pop-up menu. Once the main settings window appears, I'll look at the sidebar on the left and click on the Personalization tab. In this section, I'll scroll down until I see the memory header. Here, I'm going to toggle on Reference Saved Memories to ensure the AI can store and recall important details from our conversations. Now, I'll close out of the settings and return to the main chat dashboard. I've already prepared a list of key details about my candle business, Lumi Wax, in a separate document. I'll copy this information, which includes my revenue goals, target audience, and preferred communication style, and paste it directly into the message bar. I'll then send a message and ask Chatgpt to remember these details for all of our future projects. After I press enter, a small notification appears at the top of the response confirming that the memory has been updated. Chatgpt then provides a clear, organized breakdown of everything it has just committed to its long-term memory. Finally, to double-check what has been stored, I'll click on the Manage button within that notification. This opens up a dedicated window where I can review and manage my saved memories, ensuring that Chatgpt always has the right context to help me grow my business. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.